Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the news day. News day, news day, news day. Okay, so what we tend to achieve today is to see if we're able to, to get a very decent position after the move, impact of the news. Yeah, so that is basically our main goal today. Okay, let's wait for the news, then we can do a proper analysis. Meanwhile, I'm gonna turn on my AC. I'm calling burning up. Beautiful. Kill me, Mr. AC. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just to speak of the to do a couple of analysis before the news. So if I were, I mean, trading is just a very simple process. So if I were to be online a couple of hours ago, what I'm gonna go for is very good bullish. Yeah, I saw some sort of bearish sign from this candle. If I saw it anyway, but I called it on my group, but I didn't take it eventually because I went to sleep. I was asleep almost all night. So when I woke up, I saw this. So if I were to be online when this happened, then would have this and this would have cut our losses here, and then allow this candle to close properly. And once this candle has closed, what I'm gonna be looking out for is skip a second. Yeah, better. What I'm gonna be looking out for is a closure above, right? So this candle has broken above where one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, where the previous nine candles couldn't close. So I was going to expect a retracement sort of. So if I were to be here, I'm going to enter through somewhere here. Yeah, with this candle somewhere here, and then allow the price to push up because this candle has broken above. So I expect it to keep pushing up. So I would have gone for something approximately, you know, um, approximately maybe 140 pips. We stop loss somewhere around 35 pips. So that's the game. Yeah, let the price do whatever it wants to do. Let price do whatever it wants to do. It's fine. I mean, we're not in a hurry, right? Let price react to the news. See, it's a whipsaw, just cutting loss, cutting, creating confusion, cutting stop loss. Stop loss is up and down. Just have to let this guy finish its initial job, then you can bank on it to continue moving. Yeah. So let's first of all see, how this specific candle is going to react. I think I'm going to switch to 5 minutes to have a better visibility of what actually price is going to do. Yeah. So let's hope we catch something fantastic today. And before I take a trade today, I just want to make sure that it is the right trade to take. Yeah, I just don't want to take any trade because it's a trade. Oh my god. I was actually waiting for price to come here before. Oh my god, this is beautiful. If I had seen this, then this would have been a buy for a sell for me, right? Sell 40 pips stop loss, and of course, but then you never can know what price is going to do next. Just allow price to react fast after news, and you can make a decision on what to do. Yeah. So daily in for a gold, daily candle is pretty much bullish, I would say. I mean, it still has not reversed, but the trend is bullish. But we don't want to judge, I mean, determine the trend of of a current market with a daily candle, right? So We're just going to move to 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see that there is resistance around here, around 2045, and there's support around 2038. So if we go to 1 hour, we're going to confirm the immediate support adds somewhere around 2036, 2035, 2026, 2036, 2037. And then the most important one is switching to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is going to give us the overall view of what we're going to expect. So I just want to see, and there's resistance around here. You can see there's nicely spelled out resistance around here. So I know anyway the price is going to go down anyway, but I'm just waiting for an opportunity to be part of it. I don't want to jump in when the opportunity is presented by news. You just have to wait for news impact to finish. Meanwhile, let's see, the impact of news, how we can strengthen our decision. So CAD not my business, euro not my business, dollar. The news came out pretty, neutral. Yeah, came out neutral, and the unemployment claims dropped. From forecast, previous is 211, and forecast is 219, and actual is 218K. So simply means unemployment rate increased, but not as much as forecast. So the impact is not going to be like huge. Yeah, the impact is not going to be crazy. Sorry. So we just have to wait for opportunity to come. So are we gonna take trades using 5 minutes? Man, I don't like it. I like taking trades with 30 minutes only. But in the situation whereby I have news, 5 minutes is the only option I have because I wanna take advantage of the news, right? So if we are able to secure position from the break of this low until this support right here, that's about 55 pips. That's enough for one day. We can just call it a day and go home. Yeah. All right. Gold is there. I just hope I can see something very fantastic right here. Unfortunately, I may have to wait for gold to hit 30 minutes, for 30 minutes to close. But let's see. No, this is actually a nice thing. Initially my plan was to, okay, since this has closed above, it needs to come back here so I can buy, and then price continues going up. But I think I'm gonna wait now to see how price plays the game. Yeah, it makes sense if we wait to see how what price wants to do actually. Just have to have a pattern, a system you follow. For me, my process is pretty much very straightforward. I don't want to do something else if not follow my process. So at this point in time, you just want to assume, not assume, you just want to mark out this immediate past, support and resistance. And what I see here, support and resistance at these levels have marked 2037 and 2040, between 2040 and 2042 area is the resistance, and 2037 is the support area. You want to see price react so much to this area before you get in, right? So this is a 50 pip range. So if this range is broken, you know what's going to be the news, right? Pew. Price just going to drop to somewhere around 2025. So this is what we'll pray for today. We just want to see price drop all the way to that area. Who doesn't want to have some substantial profit, right? So usually it would have been a good thing to take a trade below here. Yeah, below this level for price to keep going down. But I don't trust 5 minutes, honestly. I don't mess with 5 minutes unless like I have to. Unless I have to, yeah. US30 is gonna give us something substantial today. I just have a feeling that NYSE open. I'm gonna be online by the way until NYSE open. Once NYSE opens, we may be able to get something very, very huge. You know what I mean? So just have to wait. Just have to hang on in there. You know, Hang on in there. That's it basically. If you are viewing my video, please make sure you're liking it. Just boost it. Right? Just like my video so that more people can be able to see me. Okay. Yeah. Basically, that's the game, right? So hang on in there. Hang on in there while we take a call. Yeah. See? Well, I didn't use 5 minutes to get in. It's poor shit. You know what I mean? Let's use 15 minutes basically. 15 minutes is going to tell us what actually is going to happen in the market. Wait. We have to patiently wait. Have to hold on in there because part of trading is being patient, right? That's part of trading. Just have to be patient enough. Yeah, honestly, you gotta focus on one pair to see if you can actually catch something from that pair. Because I don't believe in just. Let's look at gold from now. For now until maybe perhaps sometime around 6:20 p.m. Oh yeah, yeah, you can see my ten until somewhere around 16:20. I mean 18:20. That's when I may be able to look at US30. But then it makes sense if we actually catch a move there, right? Which is everyone's aim. Like, why are you wasting my time? Every time I'm streaming, you're gonna refuse to up it. Do you like what you do to me, Spotify? Spotify. Oh, nice. I'm gonna see that. Let me just hit my music. All right, we got music on already, so let's have fun, guys. We got some music on. Yalla, let's have some fun. While we wait for the candle to behave, gonna have some fun, right, guys? Oh, we have some good, nice move here. Very beautiful move, I would say. Olay! It's beautiful. 268 points, that's 26 pips. Woo! Olay! Am I just opening my. What am I doing here? I don't even see my screen anymore because of this gigantic microphone. All right, all right. Just follow your. Just have to follow your trading style. Don't ask yourself if you're missing anything because it's not necessary. It's not relevant, right? Just have to wait for price to do something very, very unique, which is do form a setup that you've been waiting for, and then take a trade. So right now, price ain't doing much because of the news. But the moment 15 minutes closes, be able to see if price is actually going to do much for us. But honestly, I don't like US30 right now. I'm not getting. If I had gotten these vibes, in US30, it would have been beautiful. I would have taken a position without looking behind. But I don't like the vibes I'm getting right now in US30, so I'm going to dump it for now. Oh, I like what I see right now. Yeah. But question is, this candle was not able to close above. This one was not able to close above. This one closed above. So is this obstacle for us for price to continue moving up for 7 pips? I think that's pretty much decent. But then gold is there, right? So gold is there to give us something very, unique and yummy. So we gotta wait for gold, right? Right, guys? Do we agree to wait for gold or should we go for US30? I want to take a trade with a pair that's going to give me a very fantastic outcome. Yeah. Ole, I thought I moved something here. Oh no. All right, let's go, guys. Go ahead and follow my Instagram. Go to my profile and make sure you follow my Instagram. Just click on my profile, my name. Click on my name right there, and just go to my profile and make sure you follow me. Just join my Instagram group, Instagram handle, so that we can, yeah, party together. I share signals there. Any day I don't come online, that it means I'm gonna send signal on the group. But if I come online, then everyone benefits from my signal. So if I don't come online, then my group only benefits, and I come online maybe once or twice in a week, right? Sometimes I come online up to 5, 6 times a week. 5 times, 6 times in 2 weeks. Sorry, I think that's a disaster what I just said. So basically, guys, can we trust ourselves to navigate through this together? The moment this high is broken, can we trust ourselves to take a trade? Very small, risk. 17 pips. It doesn't hurt to burn 17 pips for 8 pips, right? Does it hurt, guys? I guess no. The answer is no, right? So make up your mind to burn 17 pips for actual for 8 pips in this trade because I feel it's gonna happen. Yeah. See the reason why I don't want to take any trade until news is down? Because it's just not gonna give you anything substantial. It's just gonna keep wasting your time for nothing. I like 30 minutes, man. 30 minutes gives you a proper confirmation, gives you time. This would have been awesome. Yeah, it would have been awesome. So I don't see any good setup. So we go back to our default, pair, which is 30 minutes. We wait for 30 minutes closure and then see if we can, get any opportunity. 30 minutes closure, then we're going to adjust these lines accordingly, waiting for price to, break below this line. Just assuming this 30 minutes closes, bearish, then we're going to wait for price to break below. And I see right here, okay, see what's happening, guys. Ole, am I going to miss this trade or what? Ole, am I missing this trade? Don't tell me. Oh, fuck. Shit, I missed this trade, man. Hell. Shit. See? I didn't have my magic keys on, and my platform is not there. It's not was not ready. Basically, I don't like this, man. I don't like this. I don't like losing a short trade, guys. If you got into this trade, guys, congrats. Honestly, congrats because it's a huge. It's gonna be a huge trade today. I'm not happy that I missed it. God damn it! Talk a lot, guys. Talk a lot. That's my problem. Shit, man. God damn it. God damn it. I missed this position, guys. Holy. Good. How long have you been trading? Be the trader. Join, if you want to answer this question, answer to this question, why not just join my Telegram group? You have access to me. Ask me that. Right now, I'm looking for price. Okay? Looking for price to make some money. I'm going to answer your questions later. Right now, I'm nervous. Why? Because I missed the position. I'm not nervous. I'm upset. And guess what? I'm not gonna react to to that fact. I'm upset, but I'm not gonna react. I'm just gradually take something out of the market for wasting my time. All right, seems we're gonna get something from gold anyway. Seems we're gonna get something out of gold. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. But I'm gonna trust 15 minutes more. Let's see what 15 minutes is gonna do. Then we can. Basically, what is happening here is there's a range already. We have a confirmation that there's a range here. Yeah. Well, 2047 zone and 2036 zone, between that range, I think 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips range. Yeah, 50 pips range. So allow price to behave inside here. Once comes out a little bit and then goes back to retest this line, we get in for price to continue moving up. Yeah, which is what I'm worried about basically. This is what I'm worried about. These obstacles around here is what I'm worried about. But with volume, we can actually be able to mitigate these obstacles, right? That is why we're here to navigate around these obstacles. Just to have something going for us, even with obstacles, right? Especially risk management is the way to go, guys. What I'm going to advise you to do is make sure that your stop loss is at this level so that you don't have to mess up here. This trade cannot go bad for you, right? It shouldn't go bad. If it goes in any way, anything close to bad, then you need to take advantage of your stop loss and stop at 35.6632. All right. So let's assume I follow this analysis and my usual process. Had it been this is 30 minutes, I would have gotten in here somewhere above here. I mean, at this with 40, yeah, there is 38 pips stop loss. If I've gone all the way down to 100 pips, 2030. You. All right, for the guy that's asking, so I'm free now. I don't think there's any tension anymore. I'm cool now. I've been trading for a long time. I've been trading for a long time. Trust me, for a long time. I've been trading for a long time. Just that I'm kind of shy to come online and do anything. I started getting out of my comfort zone recently. That's why you are seeing me online these days. I was not confident enough to come online before, but now I think I am. I'm very confident now to come online and do stuff online. So if you wanna know more, this is how you find out. You find out from here. Yeah. Come over here. Let's talk. Yeah. It's free. Don't worry. I'm never gonna ask you for money. Okay. If you're okay, remember. If you're not okay, leave. But I'm never gonna ask you for money. Okay. Never. Like never. Literally never gonna ask you for money. Never. I'm never gonna ask you for money. Go to my profile and join that group. That is where you should be. Let's make this money together. So basically, my two pairs are doing nothing, and we have to allow it to do nothing. It's okay. It's okay if it does nothing. Okay. You have to be comfortable with the fact that it's doing nothing, because that's what it's actually supposed to do. So we're gonna hold this position until it is once it is 1800. We're gonna severe this position just in case you don't understand. We're gonna severe this position once it is 1800 because it's no longer safe. 1800 means another 4 hours candle is gonna form. Yeah, you don't want to get trapped in 4 hours, mess. Yeah, you don't want to get trapped in 4 hours mess. So basically, this price is breaking below previous candle, which is not a good sign. So I will close 50%. close 50% of a position here. That's a way of managing risk. Yeah. So the guys were here to navigate through the daily waters. So a way to navigate through this daily water is to close 50% the moment price breaks below the previous candle that printed. So close 50% right now. So that's the rest of you can divide your risk. You can cut your losses short. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm learning how to trade. I joined. Oh, beautiful. Thank you for joining Big BD Trade. Excuse me. Thank you for joining. You're going to learn a lot. Just go through my messages and see that we're actually doing a lot of wonders on the group. You're doing a lot of things there. A lot of things are happening there. Lives are changing there. Okay, so until 20, we're going to focus on gold. Let's not move between pairs for now. So basically, let's allow for 4 hours to close. Then we can get very nice, you know. See, told you. So stop loss is hit. So this is the way to do it. You close 50% here, and eventually stop loss was hit. That is you winning. It's a win. Yeah, it's a win. Trust me. So let's believe this is gonna close with this assumption. So if it closes with this clear assumption, then we're good to go. Daily has actually moved a lot. It moved a lot. And it moved without me. Daily candle moved without me, without my consent. You know what I mean? I don't know why he's ignoring me. Holy! Something is happening here, guys. Something is happening here. But I'm not gonna get in now. It's too risky. It's too risky, guys. I'm not gonna get in now. It's too risky. 4 hours is about to close. So you better stay the hell out of the market, yeah? Stay the hell out of the market, guys. Closure is happening now. If you have not, please go join my special group where I talk to my friends, where you have direct access to Kingsley. Let's make money together. Yeah, nothing is hidden. In that group, nothing is hidden. Everything is yours. Everything. Once I have seen it, it's going to come to the group. You know that group is existing because I feel very excited when I spot a position. Yeah. So when I spot a position, I run to the group to share it, and it feels very good, when you are right. So whenever I'm right, I'm just gonna go there to brag about it. So that's why I formed the group. So if you are someone that understands how to utilize opportunities, how to maximize opportunities, then at that point in time when I've shared the position, you're gonna just look at the chart and look at your analysis. Is your analysis okay? Is it in the same direction? It's gonna give you some sort of confirmation to go in to get in better, right? If it's not in line with your analysis, then you may have to look at your analysis, or if you could tell me, hey, I have this analysis, I think your analysis is wrong. That's why I formed the group, yeah, just to help to help me track my I would say skills. I would say. So we're back to 30 minutes. No need to wait for 5 minutes anymore because we're not seeing anything substantial in 5 minutes. Man, I had a position open from here. I had a position open from here with stop loss around above here. Honestly, it's magical. And take profits at this level, yeah. So before sleeping, by the way. So when I slept, I woke up, I saw price somewhere around here. I don't understand. Why is this above my chart? Yeah, you be there. That's where you belong. Cool. Okay, guys, this is it. These are our opportunity right there. I'm not watching anymore. I think I've seen an opportunity in 5 minutes. This is it right there. So I'm gonna attempt to sell here. I'm gonna attempt to sell there, right there. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna wait for that guy to close because I already see what he's gonna do. I'm gonna bump up my yeah, get in here, right there. You know, we say something, but when you see the opportunity, we just have to grab it, right? I've already seen what he's gonna do anyway. So in right there, and 30 minutes. I'm gonna use 30 minutes to set my trading. You know, my trade. What's it called? My stop loss correctly. So this is gonna be 119 pips. 119 pips. So let me tell you why I got into this position. Let me analyze and tell you guys why I got into this position. I'm in this position already. Yeah. Okay. You cannot see my. I'm actually. You cannot actually see my screen. So why did I get into this position? Why is this happening? Why must I actually arrange this by myself? You should go to the back by default, man. Be careful what you do with these things. Okay, so this is why I got into this. I have some sort of range here. You know, this and this. That's what we call a range, right? So this is the range I have here. Price managed to go out and close back in. Yeah. I didn't get in the moment this low was broken. I didn't get in the moment this low was broken. I only got in the moment this low was broken. Yeah. So this low getting broken means that price is actually has actually confirmed that there is a fake out here. This fake out has been confirmed. Let me remove all these things for you to understand better. So resistance, support, and then breakout, and break in. After the break-in, all these lows got broken. One, two, and three got broken. So it makes sense if I get in here for price to continue going down. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of obstacles across down the way. Obstacles like price coming to retest this level. If price comes down to retest this level, I'm simply going to add more positions here. I'm going to add more positions here. All with stop loss above here. Okay, so that is how price is going to just go down, keep coming up and going down, keep until it hits our stop loss, our take profit. Yeah. So that's how we do it. That's how we do it. So right now, I'm in this particular position. Let's hope for the better. Yeah. So let's hope for the better. I'm just gonna drop price tag for you guys. I appreciate your insights. I've never played around with price alerts or linked my brokerage to trading view, but seems essential for quick entry. No, my dear. No, 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 no. You don't need to. I don't have a broker with this guy. I trade with MT5. I'm an MT5 trader. This, trading view is actually for for illustration and to make my points clear. Okay. When I use trading view, I tend to like be flexible. It has a lot of tools. Easily, you can easily go around and do a lot of things. Actually, that's what I do. I don't have my account. See, I don't have my account connected here. I don't trade with any of these brokers. I don't have any account with them. Trust me. Okay, I don't have account with them either. So don't need to do that here. I shorted at 35,623. 35,623. Okay, 35,623. Oh, the trade is giving me some sort of joy. Even gold is behaving, man. Gold is doing something nice, guys. Today is a good day. I love what gold is doing. Trust me, I love what gold. I don't love it. I like what gold is doing. It's not it's an inanimate object, right? Huh? But it's an animate object. Actually, it's moving. Gold is moving. Yeah. Okay, so I go in here and I allowed price to pull up or to pull down up. Imagine I still have my positions on, man. Shit, if I had my positions on, I would have gone. gone to maybe buy a wristwatch by now, a very expensive Rolex watch, but it's fine. Oh my God, US30 is pushing, 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 guys. It's pushing. It's pushing, it's pushing, it's pushing. Yeah, 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 it's pushing, guys. Don't forget, don't be greedy. See, this guy has not gone up at all, so it up. So if you want to close, you can close at any point in time because 4 hours just opened and it has been going down. Don't forget, this price may actually reverse the moment it hits somewhere around this line. So you have to be careful, guys. Don't get overjoyed by anything. Don't get confused. Don't get confused for any reason, okay? Price may still go all the way up to hit, to test our entry before going down. So do not be confused for any reason, okay? So I'm going to 15 minutes while I look at gold. I think we've missed good opportunity in gold. Let me look at 5 minutes. Yeah, so looking at this setup now, I think where we should have entered, gotten into this position was here. I mean, when price was misbehaving, but I wasn't confident enough because I don't know this noise around here. The noise around here is massive, right? There's a lot of noise around here, so it makes sense to just wait for price to break below, then continue down. That's to me what makes sense. Make sure you are liking my post. I have seen only one like. Only one like. Please, if you're watching this video, just like my video so a lot of people can see. Okay, it will get to more people. If you are seeing this, like so that you can get a lot of people more. Okay, that's how it's done, guys. That's how it's done. If I actually learn some, theatrics and some movements around 5 minutes, I'm gonna be rich, like super rich. This is enough for me. That's this entire movie is enough for me. Anyway, my move happened already in the morning, so I'm not as if I'm going in like heavy already. So I'm just taking it easy this evening. So anyway, we're back to 30 minutes. Let's wait for opportunities in 30 minutes. Basically, this is what I know that happened here right now, right? So I'm gonna move my line. you know, this is price coming up. Yeah, coming up to retest 2041 or to basically 2040 area after breaking below to correct some, to do some corrections. Yeah, price broke out and broke back in, fake out. Number one thing to understand here is that there's already a fake out breaking out of this range. It was a range from here between 2041 to 2036. Yeah, so it's a range, and the range got broken. Yeah, and price broke back inside. If you want to see that clearly, go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes. It's going to show you that broken, broke outside and broke and closed back inside. Yeah, so if it was not that because 4 hours was closing, it would have been a good opportunity to get to get in somewhere around here or something with 50 pips stop loss. But that was a lot, right? You don't want to raise that much, right? So now the support price met support before going up to this resistance point, right? Before getting rejected around here, before it was rejected here. Now price came back to close below this candle. Let me just use my pen tool. We had this candle, this one, this one, this one, and this one couldn't close. Yeah, so it closed below. So it makes sense if price continues moving down. But my entry is going to be the moment price comes up to retest this area. This is going to be my entry. That's the way I structure my entry. I want to enter early. Why? Because there's no need to enter late since I've seen what's happening, right? Even the closure here, this closure here, even none of these candles could close there. You can see? So it makes sense if we actually, take advantage of it. But let's allow price to come up and then do some things here. Maybe if I see price coming up here, I'm gonna switch to 5 minutes so that I will make sure that I don't enter against my rules. I want to see like a bullish candle and then a bearish candle printing beside it. Then the break of that bearish candle, that's going to be my entry. But in 30 minutes, you may not see that clearly. So that's why I'm going to use 5 minutes whenever price comes to this area. That being said, we wait for gold to actualize that because there's literally no wick for this candle. This candle does not have any wick, so I need it to go get a wick before I can get in. Oh, US30 is pushing, guys. It's pushing. Are you guys seeing this? Pushing, guys. I'm excited. I'm actually happy I didn't get into the buy before. But I got into the buy, but I lost 17 pips. Okay, not up to 17 pips per house. Maybe 75% of 17 pips. Why? Because we closed 50% and then the other 50% closed. So perhaps I would have lost about maybe 13 pips. So an advice: once price hits 35 580, move your stop loss to break even. Then this trade becomes risk free. Yeah. Once price hits here, then consider break even. All right, let's do this properly. Let's do this properly. La 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 la. And there's a lot of tools here, man. I don't even use any of them. See this? What the hell is this? Oh my god. The hell? What is this supposed to do? Point your son. I know how to use this now. Oh my god, this is useful. So anybody that sees this arrow looks at that. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, nice. Good to see this. This looks good. All right. So what other tools do we have here? Oh, I'm looking for S2 actually. Yeah, call out. This is what I was looking for before I came across that stuff. Yeah. Once price hits this line, move your SL to entry. Yeah. Oh, price is pushing back. Ole! Hey, hey. Price is pushing back. All right, price is pushing back, guys. What do you think? Yes. See? So price has actually done this, giving us an opportunity to enter. Yeah. So I don't advise you to take this trade, by the way. This is for me alone because I can manage my risk whenever. The price has given me opportunity to get in. I'm just going to wait for an opportunity now to get in. See, price just did what I wanted price to do, which is going to hit this line. Which is going to hit this line, yeah? So having hit this line, I'm going to switch to 5 minutes to look for deeper connect. You know what I mean? To look for deeper connect. Neyo, thanks for joining my group. Neyo, I see you. I see you are there already, Neyo. I think Neyo was in my previous group. You were there before, Neyo. I know you, Neyo. I know you. You were there in PPP Drahams, if I'm not mistaken. That's beautiful. You found me again. Oh my God, Neyo, you are back here. That's beautiful. So we just have to wait for price. Neyo, 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 Neyo. I know you pretty much. I know. I thought as much. Neyo. Good to have you back, brother. All right, guys. Let's wait on this. Let's wait on this. This normally, if I wanted a short-term profit, I would have just gotten a buy here, a buy, and hope for price to hit somewhere here. But I'm not looking for short-term profit. I just want to make money. I just want to see price do some things here and close bearish. Then I can take a sell. I know this is a very important point. I don't think it's like strong enough to hold price from moving. Price is just going to retest all this drama here and keep pushing down. That's what I feel. Anyway, it's one thing for us to feel something, and and it's another thing for that stuff to actually happen. You know what I mean? So basically, 5 minutes broke out and broke in. So what's going to be the next thing? We don't know yet. So we just have to wait and see what is going to be the next thing. Yeah. All right. Once price hit this line, move your stop loss to entry. This is a very important ask. If possible, close 50% as well. Very, very important ask. Out of experience, I know this is what you should do. This is what you should do. If you don't do this, you're going to see what's going to happen. I'm bluffing. That nothing is going to happen. All right. See, price came to this point. Guys, I just want you guys to understand what's going on. I mean, we've been in this game for some time. Yeah. Price came all the way here. I switched to zoomed in, went to lower time frame, and then I'm looking for some sort of up and closure below. Right. So if I get that, then I'm gonna bump in. Honestly, I'm gonna increase my lot size. I'm not advising you to, but I'm gonna do that because this is a rare opportunity. It's a rare opportunity. Yeah. So let's leave this on to see how it's gonna happen. Then you can take a call. I'm interested in this trade because this is where a lot of my money is. Oh, I like the way this arrow looks so gigantic. Whew. Join my inner circle for free signals on Telegram. Kingsley's friends. Whew. This one is telling you to do something else here. Oh my god. See why I like trading view? That's why. That's why. This is why, guys. This is why I keep paying every year. I just renewed my subscription during Black Friday. That was very cheap, $217 for 1 year. That's more than cheap, guys. Trust me. Premium package, $217. Ah, Neo. Yes, yes, yes. I'm full of life again. All right. I took a break from events of life, and my friend Neo found me again. And he used to be my favorite, by the way. He just doesn't give a hoot about your signal. He has to showcase his signal and tell you, man, this is what I'm looking at. What are you looking at? Hey, you. Wow. Good to have this guy back, honestly. I think it's time to meet him. So if you're in Germany, Neyo, I'm going to be in Germany this Christmas, okay? So if you're in Germany, hit me up. Let's say I had some little bit of break in transmission, just in case you don't understand break in transmission. Ole. Breaking transmission means breaking transmission, guys. There's nothing to understand about it. All right, all right. Let's see. So do not forget the aim here. Why I'm in gold 5 minutes is to see what price is going to do around here. Once I secure a closure, a bearish closure, then I'm going to get into a sell for price to continue going down. I'm looking for sales. That's why I zoomed in. Yeah. If you look at this, I'm looking for a sell. But then it doesn't mean I just have to like get in without confirmation. I need a confirmation. I need the confirmation that it is time to sell. Okay. I believe price will keep going down after retesting this area. But if it keeps going and breaks above 2040, then I'm gonna stay out of markets because it's not gonna be healthy anymore. Oh, nice! This is actually a very good. Oh my god, this is actually very nice. So if I write, well, how is it gonna? Let me write something and see. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice. This is looking very nice, guys. Trust me. Oh no, makes my chat nasty. I like nasty things. Let's remove this now. Let's remove this now and tidy up our chat. Yeah. If you want to see the numbers on this line, just have to look at the extreme end of my chart. Then you're gonna see the numbers. Okay. I just want to make my chart very tidy. Okay. I like to look at tidy things that are tidy. Price is going back, but it's okay. Guys, you just have to wait patiently. You just have to wait patiently because this is money, right? This is money. You wanna make money? Be patient. Patience is a virtue, right? Am I right, guys? Oh yes. Oh my god. I can't see any likes. Guys, can you like this video, man? Make it visible to everyone, okay? And how is my good friend doing? Still pushing up. Once this candle breaks above this 2040, make sure you don't get into a sell anymore. But just make sure of that. But then, what do I know? I say something and price does exactly the opposite. But we managed to survive, right? We managed to survive anyway. All right, all right, all right, all right. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Oh no, this is nice. This is beautiful. Trust me, guys. This is beautiful. Very nice. See this? That's awesome. But I'm not confident. There's a lot of issues here. There's a lot of things to look for here, right? Price is already ranging here, so you don't want to mess with it. There's technically nothing to look out for. There is technically nothing to look out for. Is that I see more opportunity here. I even prefer for price to fail this week, fail this 40 pips week, for and keep going down maybe to up to 70, 71 pips. So I mean, it makes sense, right? You see, things are beginning to play out the way I wanted to see. This is exactly what I was looking for. So if price this 5 minutes can close bearish, oh no man, I'm gonna jump in. I mean, there's nothing to wait for. I like the fact that this is actually happening right before you. I mean, this is a process. I mean, you can't cheat it. It's a process. So having formed this now, there's something I'm gonna do. Usually you just have to adjust your chart. You don't have to stick to one analysis, right? So you just have to keep adjusting your charts to give you good visibility, because you may see something now. The moment you close and reopen your chart again, you forget everything. It happens to me. I don't know about you. That's why I choose to, once I see any the price takes another form, I immediately change my analysis so that the form is well represented. See what I'm looking at now. So if I can secure, guys, this is pretty simple. Life is very simple in trading. You don't need any indicator. You don't need nothing. Just look at price actions. Just have a look at price actions, and that's all. I have some. I'm expecting some rejections around here. Yeah, I'm expecting some rejections around here. Once this rejection is confirmed by bullish, bearish closure of these 5 minutes, I'm going to jump in for price to continue moving down. Yeah, maybe the moment price hits around 2035 area, I'm just going to take 50% and let the other 50 and move my stop loss to break even, and let the rest of the position run to 2030 or even up to let me see, even up to 20, yeah, 2030 area, or even up to 2025 area. It's very simple. Life in trading is very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. It's a pattern. It's going to keep repeating every time. Had a long year of break, even trading this year. Some internal issues all the year too. No, so no UK trip this year for me. It's fine, my dear. I think you may be sending some messages on YouTube. Well, I'm not actually super active on YouTube. Trust me. I'm having some configuration issues with a lot of things. So once I fix my shit, then I'm gonna become like super active on. I'm gonna connect all my platforms together: TradingView, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and what's the other one again? Vimeo. Is it Vimeo? Oh, I forgot the gaming website or whatever. I'm gonna like streamline all of them together and have the chat come to one platform alone, so I can see everybody's chat with the platform where the person is coming from. Yeah, everything is available right now. Just need to fix my shit. So how is this gonna end? It's gonna end in praises. When I say praises, I mean praises, guys. Okay, guys. NYSC is about to open in 30 seconds, so be ready to either make money or lose money. So, guys, again, disclaimer: if you're in this position, now it's time to close. If you don't close now, whatever you see, you take. NYSE Open comes with a lot of volume. I'm going to repeat now: NYSE Open comes with a lot of volume. So, if we are right, NYSE is going to confirm this trade. If we are wrong, price is just going to go against us and close. So, now you have 9 seconds to close the position, otherwise, hold your peace. more than this area, by the way. Price may retest even up to here, even it you are into this area, even possibly hit our stop loss. But what I have seen, I know is correct. I don't have any doubt in my analysis. So here we go. I don't see a wick yet, so I'm not going to open any position. I want to see a wick. This formed exactly the way this move formed in 30 minutes, and it's not healthy. It's not healthy. See, if you remember when this guy formed, there was this thing does not have a wick. Now the same thing is forming in 5 minutes, confusing us. This would have been a very fantastic trade, guys. But without a wick, I'm tired of getting into a position without a wick. Any position without a wick simply means that price most likely is going to come back to visit that area soon. This is not what I want. I'm not ready for that now, right? I'm not ready for that. So until I get a wick here, even if price comes all the way here and wants to reverse, then on its way to reversing, then I'm going to get in right here. I mean, unfortunately, that's the loop plan. Okay, guys, if you're still on this trade, better be ready to lose or gain. Okay, as I mentioned it earlier, NYSC will tell us whether we are right or wrong. Okay, and this high is broken. I don't know what that story tells, but be ready to lose or gain. Okay, be ready to either lose or gain because NYSC has opened. It's going to simply confirm our suspicion of price movements only. So let's see whether it's going to happen or not. Anyway, since we have NYC open, I don't think I will be interested in gold for now. All my interest in gold is all done. See? Oh, gold is actually going to give us something nice, guys. Gold will give us something nice. Oh my god, gold looks pretty much very awesome. Looks beautiful. See? We're testing this area. The drop in gold is going to be massive. And someone is asking me to leave gold and focus on something else. 180 pips. That's the potential I see in gold right now. But my problem with gold right now is why is it not giving me like a straightforward entry? I don't want to, be part of entry that's not straightforward, right? I don't want to like get into a position that that is not sure. Don't forget we are already in this position, so we just have to see the position through, whether it's going to ashes or whether it's going to yes. So 4 hours has gotten some wick here. That is a good thing. So it means price has the right to keep moving down now. Yeah, price can keep moving down right now. So, and the break of this low is going to be like shoot. It's going to shoot. Yes, 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 yes. Woo, hoo, hoo. So actually, we are right, guys. We are right. The low of previous 30 minutes is broken. So we are right. So let's hope for some move right now. Some move is coming, guys. I hope you're ready. I hope you are ready, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it may be wrong, it may be right. So just this would have been a very nice trade, by the way. 30 pips, gunning for 70 pips. Oh my god, this would have been a nice trade. But I didn't get, guys, if you remember what I told you guys, I've always waited for this trade, right? This is the setup I was waiting for, and it's completely done. The entry should have been here, but I didn't get in because this candle does not have a wick. I don't like meddling with candles without wick. It's too risky for me. All right, I could actually get in below here. Below here. Now that I see that is serious in terms of movement, I could actually get in below here the moment price breaks below. But I will be so In fact, I'm not going to get in here. I'm going to get in from here. If price comes to retest this area, this breakout point, then I'll, I'll be in. Excuse me, guys. So sorry. Then I'm going to get in, and I hope for 2025. Of course, I'm going to close along the way. So this is my trade. 30 pips stop loss and 119 pips take profit. But, but, you have to be careful. Only condition is this is a sell limit. Only condition is that price comes to retest our entry, which is 2037. That is the only condition for this trade. If price comes back to 2037, then we are good to go. Oh, this guy is messing up. This guy is messing up. I don't like this anymore, guys. This doesn't look good anymore. I'm going to close 50% of my positions on US30, unfortunately. I'm going to close 50%. Guys, I would suggest you do the same. I'm going to suggest you do the same. Close 50% of your position. Makes sense if you close 50% of your position because obviously price is proving us wrong, okay? Olay. The hell is this, man? Come on. This is wrong. Man, my MT5 is frozen. Guys, I closed completely, so get out of the trade. I don't trust anymore. Get the hell out of the trade, please. Get the hell out of the trade. This couldn't get to this point. Holy man. What the hell is this? I wanted price to get to this point, man. What? Why is it not getting to this point? Why? 5 minutes shenanigans. 5 minutes shenanigans. So gold is dropping without me. Even though I waited, man, I waited for this. I waited for this and it's dropping without me. What happened here today should be an eye opener for every single one trading. Yeah? Wait for your setup. If it doesn't happen, your criteria, don't get in. If your criteria does not happen, guys, never get in. Do not be surprised that price is eventually gonna, come all the way up again to retest this area before dropping. So I'm gonna wait. Honestly, I'm gonna wait. US30, you messed up with me. You made me close my position. You made me close my position. You shenanigan. I have to wait patiently for this candle to close. But one thing I know, price most likely may stay for. But daily right now is bullish, and 4 hours is becoming bullish. 1 hour is not stable. 30 minutes. This is a very popular setup that I have to close. That's a very popular setup. That's why I have to close. Yeah. Wow. This this is all awesome. 30 pips, 31 pips. If price does not come to my entry, I'm not gonna enter, guys. Not possible. I trust the process always. Always. Holy, holy. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, yeah. Price eventually is gonna fall. I can see 5 minutes already. I can see 5 minutes. Price eventually is gonna fall. I think I shouldn't have closed my position. I closed my position out of reflex because my broker was freezing. Price was frozen, so I couldn't just continue. I got a little bit shaken up because price was not doing what we agreed on. It was doing the opposite of what we agreed on. Not, I would say my broker server, at least my broker server was doing something else. Yeah, so I didn't want to lose my money while while I have a frozen broker. There's nothing that can be very annoying more than having your platform, but you cannot take a trade. Yeah. So if we had gotten in here, perhaps would have made 58 pips. 58 pips, yeah, 58 pips. So why didn't we get in here? Because this guy does not have a wick. It simply means one thing: that price will find a way, its way back. Price is going to find its way back to this area. Somehow I know it. So I'm going to leave this here just to remind us of this when it happens. This trade, had it been like a dirty scalper, not dirty scalper, but severe scalper, this would have made a lot of sense for me. I'll just make this money and go. But I like decent trades, very very decent trades. Those are what I go for. So 15 minutes. How do you close? What do you say to puppies around? Honestly, I don't like the fact that I closed two positions here. Closed two positions here today. I mean, I'm not happy. Risk management. That's what we're doing because we live to fight another day. This is what you see. This is exactly what you see when a candle does not have a wick. Honestly, it weakens me a lot when I lose out. Because of no wick. It weakens me, but it's fine. It's all good, man. So now I'm gonna wait for this guy to go give its his friend some wick. This thing right here. I think I'm gonna switch to 30 minutes in good. Screw 5 minutes. I'm gonna switch to 30 minutes in gold, yeah. But what I'm gonna be waiting for now is to see wick on this candle, then I can get in. All right now, if I don't see that, I'm not gonna be interested in gold, honestly, because I don't want to lose any money. I'm not cut out for that shit. So my main focus right now is gonna be US30. Let's see how US30 reacts to the situation. Basically, we're waiting to see how this 30 minutes is gonna close. So with that, we can take some positions. Right now, we have two positions that we've taken. One of them was a fake out, and the second one we closed out too early. Really, not really too early. We closed out with like little bit of loss because um candle was coming to retest this area and we didn't plan for that to happen, right? It wasn't part of our analysis. I mean, not as if we have to plan for every single thing that's going to happen in the market, but we didn't see that coming, right? Was it because of the like we're expecting some sort of bearish force to to happen here, right? But then we didn't get to see that something like this. I was actually just look at this. Can you see a pattern between this and this? Between this and this, there's a pattern. I was expecting this pattern to repeat. Something that will just come and hit somewhere here, but that did not happen. But it's all good. I was expecting a pattern like this to happen, but unfortunately that didn't happen. See, this guy does not have any week. I was expecting something like this to happen, but of course, NYSE opening made us doubt ourselves today. Anyway, I'm not worried. Why? Because I mentioned it initially that NYSE open is nasty. If you don't want to be part of the trade, close it. So I'm not worried in any. I'm not worried in any wise at all. I'm just not happy with the kind of time I'm going to spend here. See what I talked about in gold, guys. It's happening. It's playing out just the way I said it. As long as this candle does not have a week, price will always come here to give it a week. I mean, it's just gonna happen. That was why I missed the move, and I'm happy that I missed the move. By the way, I'm super happy. We're still in. We're still waiting for price. What is price gonna do? We don't know yet, so we gotta wait. Okay, so this is actually the reason, one of the reasons why we closed risk management. If we hadn't closed this position, you can imagine what's gonna happen. Okay, price eventually resumed the trend. All right, let's wait for 30 minutes to close, then we can make a decision. It's fine. This looks like it's gonna be a good day today. Looks like it's gonna be a good day today. So I'm just gonna close out gold so that we focus on this. So I see this. We're really gonna make money on this today. I just have a feeling that we are. Just have a feeling that we are gonna make good money today trading this guy. So let's go daily time frame and just mark out some very interesting points. This is a very interesting point. Which other point is interesting here? Yes, here we go. Another interesting point, a point, and then this. Yeah. Yes. So let's now get back and be ready for that to happen. Beautiful. Guys, this is what I call beautiful. Beautiful. So a break, basically what's happening now is a break, retest, break, and the break of this means push. Unfortunately, this is happening. Of course, you don't know what. So we tried to follow the process for price to go down. Unfortunately, it couldn't go down. I suspected as much because of this. Price rejected this zone, right? This zone is pushing price to go back. So the break of this should have been a good entry, but it's fine. Let's leave it alone. 30 minutes closure is going to give us some opportunity to go into the market. Let's see how it works out. Let's see how it works out. That's why analysis it keeps changing. It keeps changing. Just have to evolve and evolve. If you don't like stick to one analysis, oh lay, I don't think you are doing the right thing by doing that. Yeah, man. Just like please, this is actually pushing too hard. I don't know, what the hell? Okay, the entry should have been the break of this. 5 minutes sometimes it has some hidden moves right there, right inside. Oh lay! Are you kidding me right now? So Price wants to finish the entire move before we get in? Or what? What's that for? I wasn't paying attention to 5 minutes. I don't know. Ole, ole, ole. I feel like I shouldn't trade gold as beginner. It's so manipulative. Oh, yeah. I feel like I don't feel that's the correct statement. Actually, you should trade gold. You should trade gold. Why? If you learn how gold moves, then you are made for life. I'm not kidding about it. If you are able to understand how gold moves, then you are made for life. Trust me. Spend time on gold with the trader. Spend some time on gold. It's not manipulative. It's not manipulative. You just have to understand how it moves. There's a reason why I trade only gold and US30. There's a reason why I focus on only gold and US30. And that is because the move is pretty much clear to me. I understand how it moves. I understand the time at which it moves. I understand some theatrics behind gold movement, right? And thanks to my mentor, I was able to clearly grasp, this understanding. So it makes sense if you actually focus on perfecting your skills on gold. Gold is gonna like give you more opportunities. You just have to be patient with gold. You just have to be very, very patient with gold. Gold requires you to be super patient with it. Just understand how it moves, and that's all you'll ever need, guys. Just don't let it manipulate you. You take advantage of that manipulative features of gold. So 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I just want to catch an amazing trade today, honestly, guys. I just want very honest trade. So what's going to be the plan in 2 minutes? In 2 minutes, I want to see price at least come down to this zone before I start taking decisions. I'm hoping for 167 pips. Yeah. But I want to see price come down to this zone before I start taking decisions. So 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute now, 27 seconds, 37 seconds, 27 seconds, 27 seconds, 27 seconds. I'm going to let the price go. If I don't get a week, I'm going to let the price go. Honestly, it's very simple and straightforward. All right, guys, I think it's happening. It is happening. It is happening. So now, right? That's gonna be now. This is gonna be my last trade for the day. If I lose this, I'm done for the day. Completely done. It's gonna be my last trade for the day. If I lose this, done. Done for the day. Not gonna take any other position for today. My God, man, JPY is crazy, man. Just went bananas completely. Holy. Oh. Okay. Let's just hold on and see how this is gonna play out. this be a fake out? We don't know yet. Just have to take it. So as expected, price is coming down to retest here. All right, all right, all right, all right. So from here, points now should be good news. All right, I don't talk a lot now. We're just waiting for price to react and play the end game. Daily is bullish, 4 hours is bullish, 1 hour is bullish. Just expecting this retest to end very soon so that price can start pulling up. Just gonna go to going up. Yeah, I would actually move. Oh, this is a lot. No, it's a lot of money. prefer to lose 53 pips than to have drawdown of 90. Man, it's a bit on the high side, you know. All right, let's see how this bounces up. This is what I talked about anyway, so I think it's happening already. So I'm expecting a full scale of price speed to push volume to push price to give me 166 pips. Those two losses, just those two minor losses I made can be covered here. Like that will get like 5 times extra for my inconvenience. So imagine how price is going to react if it dares to break above here, above the previous 30 minutes. That is 35,709. Imagine how price, the kind of volume that's going to come into the market. It means it's going to be crazy, right? So that's why we have to wait patiently for that to happen. Yeah. In an event where price manages to break above here, oh my gosh, I can imagine the volume that's going to come into the market. So let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. It's going to turn out fine. I'm pretty sure. So basically, this is what right. This break that happened here, this break got retested. This point got retested basically, and then the breakout, which should have been, I should have called some sort of entry around here, but I wasn't paying enough attention. Perhaps I was struggling between two pairs. So having seen this, the way I lost this entire move should have been my move. But I got to pacify myself by understanding the fact the knowledge I've already have a move like this. It should be followed by a retest of the breakout point, right? Which is exactly what happened here. Breakout, retest. So there's a breakout, there's a retest. Yeah. So the retest has just happened, and guess what? I took advantage of this retest to get in at this good price for price to continue moving up. Yeah. So that's basically what happened. That's basically what that should be a push, right? So let's see how it goes. Don't We gotta see how it goes.
Never been brave and never been enough. You say that you say that say that I'm better, say that I'm strong. I'm capable, I'm capable. I've never been brave and never been enough. You say that you say that yeah. Falling down and thinking outside. Never been brave and never been enough. You say that you say that say that I'm better, say that I'm strong. I'm capable, I'm capable. I've never been brave and never been enough. You say that you say that say that I'm better, say that I'm strong. I'm capable, I'm capable. I've never been brave and never been enough. You say that you say that never felt this before. I always thought that it was love. I'm falling down, I'm sinking my thoughts. I've never been brave, I've never been enough. You say that you say that I say that I'm better, say that I'm strong. I'm capable, I'm capable. I've never been brave, I've never been enough. You say that you say that yeah. I won't see you again. Try to say I'm sorry. I don't want to be worried. I just want to carry on. Mystery no stronger. Mystery no longer. I thought I would see you again. Try to say I'm sorry. I don't want to be sorry. I just want to carry on. Every time I saw them, every time I'm sorry. No, I can't get you. No, I can't get you. I'm sorry. This is the time. This is the right way. Oh, how your emotions. I'll make you right. This is the right way. Every time I saw them, every time I'm sorry. No, I can't get you. No, I can't get you. I'm sorry. This is the time, this is the right way. Oh, how your emotions, I'll make you right. This is the right place. For love and devotion, baby. I want you to stay. I want to have you. For love and devotion. And feel like I'm falling, and feel like I'm sorry. No, I can't get you. No, I can't get you out of my life. This is the time. This is the right place. For higher emotions, I'll make you right. This is the right place. For love and emotion. And feel like I'm falling, and feel like I'm sorry. No, I can't get you. No, I can't get you out of my life. This is the time. This is the right place. For higher emotions, I'll make you right. This is the right place. For love and devotion. Didn't want to hurt you. But love and devotion. we got time for stay until eternity. If you wait too long, maybe the chance is gone. So you got time for stay if you come with me. You gotta decide what is wrong and what's right. 'Cause we got time for stay until eternity. If you wait too long, maybe the chance is gone. So you got time for stay if you come with me. You gotta decide what is wrong and what's right. Your eyes tell me the truth. No doubt says out of you. I wanna take your hand and take you away on a cloudy day. Your eyes tell me the truth. No doubt says out of you. I wanna take your hand and take you away on a cloudy day. Though the road is long, winter times have gone. One more time we talk, where we're gonna walk. Cause we got time for second till eternity. If you wait too long, maybe the chance is gone. So you got time for second if you come with me. You gotta decide what is wrong and what's right. Cause we got time for second till eternity. If you wait too long, maybe the chance is gone. So you got time for second if you come with me. You gotta decide what is wrong and what's right.
So we've waited for this guy to move up just so we're all aligned. We expect some sort of volume to move up all the way to somewhere around 35,834. So this is my expectation. Anything other than this, I'm not aligned at all. So I'm okay, and I'm super okay to take this loss, this maximum, this much loss. And as a matter of fact, I'm actually moving it. Reduce the loss, move your stop loss to below the previous 30 minutes low. That is below 35,639.97. Your stop loss should be somewhere there. Just in case if there's some sort of mishap, I know you're just going to lose about 29 pips and maximum 29 pips, which is nothing compared to what you're going to gain. That's 166 pips. So with 166 pips inside, I'm okay. I'm super, super okay to lose 29 pips alone. So, everyone, you have a lovely evening. I have other things to do, okay? Take care. Just make sure you join my Telegram channel, Kingsley's Friends. Make sure you join this channel so that you can tell me how this trade worked out for you, okay? Thank you, everyone, and do have a lovely evening, morning, or afternoon, or whatever it is for your side, okay? Bye, everyone. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a day, a beautiful day, I guess. Friday. So Fridays are normally for me, some are good and some are bad, but mostly good for me. Yeah. All right. Take care, everyone. Do have a lovely evening. Bye.